Hey guys, Multiviz Productions here, and something very special came in the mail for my birthday today. And as you can see by these games, guess what it is? So I got Black Ops 2 and Sly Cooper Thieves in Time. Let's open up this bad boy. Now this is an 80 gigabyte reverse compatible PlayStation 3. This is a refurbished system from GameStop. So can't wait to see how it came. Okay, a box within a box. This is PlayStation 3 upside down there. So I'm not sure if I should flip it over or not. There we go. Certified refurbished hardware, cleaned, tested, and guaranteed. Okay. Oh, beautiful inside. Alright. So, here's the PlayStation 3 itself. It's got a nice little cover on it. Still got the warranty sticker on it. PlayStation 3. It's very nice. Let's take this nice little coating off here. Looks beautiful. Now for the rest of the stuff, got ourselves a controller. This looks a little dusty and used, and does not look like the actual controller that comes with your console. The buttons are a little sticky. It'll have to do. Got your video cables, your power source, and your cable to recharge your battery. And here's a manual printed by GameStop for it, and I'll have to show you some gameplay later, so peace.